Hey, I'm Shreyas. I grew up in Kanakpura. I used to love homemade snacks. We used to make like a bende murku or like shavge. Let's try this out today. Can taste some raw mushrooms in it, like matlab, not cooked well kind of thing. Why is it so cold? It's like just took out of a fridge or something. This is thick. I can feel some chunks in it already. It's creamy, it's flavorful, and I actually can find some mushrooms in it. I love this one. I love this. And I can finish off the whole bowl if you give me. Okay, I can feel it like it's a bit thin. This is better than the first one, and then yeah, it's kind of delicious. It has a bit of flavors in it and spices in it to the right amount. Yeah, I cannot find any mushrooms yet. What's next? What am I having now? I can feel a tangy flavor in it, so, and it's obviously a pasta. This tastes quite good. It has a flavorful tomato, tangy flavor. It's less tangy than previous one. Other than that, it pretty much tastes the same as the previous one. It actually smells good. Wow. So yeah, I would prefer a less spice thing. It's good that I can eat non-veg today. I don't eat on Mondays, Wednesdays and Thursdays. So today is Friday. Good day. It's too salty and it has a lot of like ginger in, not ginger, garlic in it. So not my type. So since I'm blindfolded, I can't taste the chicken, I guess. Yum. Can I have some chapatis or rotis with this? It's so homely. It's just like it is exactly almost the same as what my mom cooks. This is the curry I would choose, but I'll try the next one too. Let's see if this beats the previous one. Oh, I can feel a lot of chicken already here. It's good. It's good. Like it's kind of good, but I can literally feel that it's not garka kana. But when you go, let's say when you go out and order in some food or something like that, this is what you'll need. It has the spices, right? It has this all the flavors, right? First, second, third. Let's say the second one was what I'll choose on some days, and the third one is what I'll choose on some days. Shavge paisam. This one is too thick, have less milk, and sweet is not up to the mark. That's my take on this. Like, this is the shavge. I'm just getting the watery content here. This is like exactly the opposite what I ate earlier. This is actually so delicious. Guys, this is what you get when you make food out of love. It's not soggy like the first one. It's not like watery like the second one. It's perfect. This is the winner. Nice. You guys want some?
So Shreyas, the results are in. So the first round was the chunky mushroom soup. Out of the two restaurant plus Delicious dish that you had, you picked Delicious.
Oh, congratulations, buddy.
The second round went to Delicious again. That was the red sauce pasta. We will tell you which restaurant the spicy pasta was from.
Yeah. Please tell me like what it was for, so that I won't go there or order from there.
Third round goes the murg curry. You picked 2 winners. We Dilisha tied up with the restaurant. And the fourth thing, which was paisam, Apurva's mom's paisam one.
Yeah, I love that mushroom soup. Like, if you see, I was like trying to eat it, finish it off, and it was grabbed from me, kind of thing. So I loved it. So then the murg curry, it's like, yeah, murg curry, we make it at home, but I can't make it at home right now. I love the fact that I can make it at home. I'm waiting to cook this mushroom thing in Delhi shop and have the whole bowl of it